Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 8 student based on chapter 12, and this is the part 3 of the chapter. Dear students, take your textbook. Open page number 129 and follow the class with your textbook. Today we will discuss lessons 6 to 7. Dear students, let's start our class. Lesson 6 and 7. The name of the lesson is The Importance and Uses of Artificial Satellite. Artificial satellites are used for different purposes. They are named according to their uses. For example, communication satellites, weather satellite, Earth observation satellite, military satellite, navigation satellite, and astronomical satellite. First, we will discuss about communication satellite. We often communicate with the outside world over telephone. When we use the telephone, the signal is sent through a dish antenna, a radio wave to an artificial satellite. The satellite transmits the radio signal to the antenna of the receiving country. From there, it reaches to the telephone of the person with whom we are talking. We also watch different cultural functions and games like World Cup or Olympic Games held in the various countries through artificial satellites. It works in the same way where the signals is first sent to a satellite from a dish antenna, which in turn send it to our dish antenna. Finally, the information is shown in our television. Here, the satellite works as a relay station. Now, dear students, we are using communication satellite every moment in our life. Now we are using our mobile phone and dish antenna also for looking various channels in television that are doing by the communication satellite. Now we are going to our next satellites. The name of the satellites is weather satellites. These satellites transmit images of the weather and earth environment. They helped to show that the ozone layer was being depleted. The news that we get through radio, television and newspaper are obtained by the use of weather satellites. It is due to weather satellites the weather forecast is possible about rainfall, wind and cyclone is possible quite in advance. Dear students, few days ago we observed the weather new forecast about the cyclones. This is done by the weather satellites. Which day we know that they will be rainy. Some day we are known that there will be sunny days. That all are declared by the weather satellites. It helps to forecast the weather news to us. Now we will describe another satellite. The name of the satellite is Earth observation satellite. These satellites can give us clean picture of Earth's surface because it can take photographs from high altitude and can observe the positions of the ship in the sea and possible leakage of oil from ships causing pollution. They can observe the fields of crops over vast areas and find out where crops are growing, Well, and where there is invasion of insects. Earth observation satellites are also used for discovering minerals and locate mountains and forests with great accuracy. Dear students, with the Earth observation satellite, we also determine the presence of iceberg along with the path of the ship, and we also gathering information about the insect attacking crops by photography. This is so useful satellite for our daily life. Now we will go to our next satellite. The name of the satellite is military satellite. With the name you can understand which type of satellite is this. These satellites are used by governments for military purposes. These act as spies in the sky and used to locate enemy positions and to find out whether there is any preparation for invasion by the enemy. That means this is used for the security of a country. Now we will going to next satellite's name. The name of the satellite is navigation satellite. We travel by cars, trains, ships and planes. Navigation satellites are used to locate the exact position of vehicles, especially when they are lost or accidents happened. That means these satellites also very much important for us. We can locate any types of vehicles which is lost or any accidents which is happened with the help of navigation satellites. Now we will go to our next and last satellites. For in your book you have the name of the satellite is astronomical satellite. Astronomical satellite is used to observe the planet, stars, galaxies and all objects in the sky by carrying telescopes much above the atmosphere. This gives better visibility because light rays are not scattered by the air molecules of the atmosphere. Dear students, with the help of astronomical satellite, the scientists can observe the outside the world and determine the unknown information about the universe. These satellites also too much important for us. Dear students, we have finished the chapter. Now we will solve the multiple choice question from your exercise. The first question is, how many satellites are there in Jupiter? Dear students, that satellite is indicate the natural satellites. Which one is correct? A is 14, B 27, C 62 and D 67. Dear students, we know that the Jupiter have 67 satellites. Then answer will be 67. Next one is, galaxy is a vast number of stars in the universe which are bound by the gravitational force. Second one is the empty space between the planets and the stars. And third one is the heavenly objects that revolve around our stars. Dear students, here the galaxy definition is the first one, a vast number of stars in the universe which are bound by the gravitational force. So, come to the options, which one is correct? Here in A there is given Roman 1, that will be the correct answer. Then we will put tick mark on A. Now come to our next question. Answer the question 3 and 4 according to the table given below. First, this table have the artificial satellites and the function. The name of the artificial satellite is M, determining the presence of iceberg along with the path of the ship. N is indicate that function determining the position of a plane in the sky. N, exploring unknown information about the universe. P, gathering information about the insect attacking crops by photography. Now here is the question, which is the satellite N? N, come to the N. N determining the position of a plane in the sky. Dear students, we have discussed when we discussed about artificial satellite, that navigation satellite is determining the position of a plane in the sky. Then answer will be first one communication, second one navigation, that means that B will be the correct answer. Now come to our next question, and this is the last one. Based on the uses given the table, which two satellites are the same types? A, M and N, B, N and O, C, O and P, D, M and P. Come to the stem. There M is determining the presence of iceberg and the path of the ship. That means this is the Earth observation satellite. N determining the position of a plane in the sky, that is navigation satellite. O exploring unknown information about the universe, that is astronomical satellite. And P is gathering information about the insects attacking crops by photography, that again the Earth observation satellite. That means answer will be that 2. That 2 is M and P, that means answer will be D, M and P. Dear students, here I have given some homework for you. You have to make 5 MCQ from this part whatever we have discussed today, and you have to make the MCQ with 4 options, and you have to put tick mark in the correct answer, and you have to mention the homework number in your homework copy and submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the previous question answer, read the chapter so properly, because this chapter have so many MCQ and knowledge based question for you. Abide by your parents, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.